Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, as promised, it's a little late, but better late than never. I'm got my solar thing just about finished. We'll take a walk out here and take a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, not yet, but you will. I have this Starlink Mini that I have for my truck. And what I did was I hooked it up to, I have a 200 watt solar panel, 12 volt, that I have hooked up there. And it goes down into here in the bed. I have a solar generator. Okay, now inside I have a 100, let me move this out a little bit more. I have a 100 amp hour battery, a series PMW or PWM solar charge controller. I have the battery disconnect, battery voltage, USB, and a 12 volt. I do not have 110 hooked up to this yet. I will eventually, but just not now. I was just going with all this. Everything's all nice and neat, hooked up the way it should be. Battery's charging right now off the solar panel. And that's about it. Now, last night when I did my test on this, the battery was at 100%, and I left it run all night, and it dropped down to 84 or about 82%. Now the sun just now is coming up to where it's hitting the full solar panel. It's got about another hour before it'll hit the whole thing and charge this up by itself. And with the 200 watts, it should charge it up by the end of the day, or by noon at least. It's about 11 o'clock here in Oklahoma, and this one, like I said, is self-contained. I have the solar panel attached here with some L brackets, aluminum. I left the cover on. I put this soft cover on, and I'm just putting this over the top of this. Now this can still fold up where I want, need it. It just won't fold all the way, which I don't need it to fold all the way. But with all the storms and the power outages that go on, the Mini will be on 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now, if for some reason it needs to be charged there's a charger in here also that hooks up to the battery with an aviation thing. If it does need to be charged, that cord runs behind my tail light here, and then I have this outlet right here that I can plug an extension cord into and charge it via the AC if I need to charge it that way. But right now, until I buy a disconnect for the solar panels, I can just disconnect them here and then plug that in, and that'll work just fine. But there it is. If I need to, I can always disconnect this and disconnect the mini cord, and I can take this and use it as like a trolling motor or whatever. If need be, I can always hook up USB and a 12-volt system to this. Like I said, eventually I'll get another inverter and hook the inverter up into there and put a plug down here so you can plug stuff in. But there you go, there you have it, there it is. Y'all have a good day. Please like and subscribe. It doesn't, I will try to get more videos out. I know I've been lax lately, but it's been hot. So y'all have a good one. Peace.